In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Powered by WordPress. If you want a cleaner footer on your website and you'd prefer not to display the default Powered by WordPress or Designed with WordPress text, this is a very quick change you can make directly from your site editor. I'll walk you through it in a simple way so you can follow along easily. To begin, go to your site editor. This is the area in WordPress where you can edit the overall layout and template parts of your website, including the footer. If your theme supports full site editing, this is where you'll be able to make the change without needing any code. Once you open the site editor, give it a moment to load so you can clearly see your website layout. Next, look for the footer section of your site because that's where this text usually appears. Find the line that says Powered by WordPress or Designed with WordPress. Depending on your theme, the wording may be slightly different, but it will usually be easy to spot near the bottom of the page. Once you find it, click directly on that text to highlight or select it. Make sure you've selected the actual text block and not a different surrounding element. Taking a second here helps avoid deleting the wrong part of the footer. After the text is selected, simply press backspace to remove it. That's all you need to do. The default WordPress credit text should disappear from the footer immediately inside the editor. If the text doesn't seem to delete at first, try clicking more precisely on the words themselves so the correct block is active. Some themes place footer content inside grouped elements, so being accurate with your selection can make the process easier. Once you've removed the text, it's a good idea to quickly review the footer area and make sure the spacing still looks clean. Sometimes removing the line of text can leave extra empty space, so just take a moment to check the visual layout before finishing up. And that's it. By going into the site editor, selecting the Powered by WordPress or Designed with WordPress text, and pressing backspace, you can quickly remove that default footer message and make your website look more personalized.